Good morning, everyone. I am Kranti J.S. of Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, and I am studying in Electronics and Communication Engineering, 7th Sem. I am into a topic on subject energy and environment, and the topic is different types of pollution causes and effects. What is pollution? Pollution is defined as the contamination of the environment by forcing or toxic substances, excess forms of energy that are harmful for the environment. The substances or energy that constitutes a particular kind of pollution is known as pollutant. Pollutants can be in the form of solid, gas, liquid, or energy. Pollution always a source and a recipient. For example, a factory that produces harmful gases is a source of pollution. It ends up in the atmosphere and gets inhaled by human beings and other animals who are the recipients. Types of pollution. Following are the different kinds of pollutions: air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, noise pollution. Here is the picture. Air pollution. Air pollution refers to the contamination of the atmosphere by harmful gases, particulate matters, and chemicals. Pollution leads to a sustainable reduction of the quality of air. It creates several health issues in human beings. The major sources of pollution are industrial and vehicle emissions, wildfires, dust, storms, etc. The poor quality of air in Delhi during winter is a perfect example of kind of pollution. Smoke from agricultural fields and the NCR industrial and vehicle releases of harmful gases and particulate matter leads to serve environmental emergencies almost every year. Cause of air pollution. The major cause of air pollution are burning of fossil fuels in the power plants and vehicles, agricultural activities like aerial spraying of insecticides, slash and burn system, industrial release of carbon monoxide and other chemicals, methane from waste in landfills, along with a host of other natural factors like volcano eruptions and storms and forest fires almost constitute the growing danger of air pollution. Effects of air pollution: respiratory diseases like chronic bronchitis, emphysema, asthma, etc. Health issues include in children impairing brain development, global warming, acid rain, deployment of ozone layer. Water pollution. The contamination of water resources beyond permission limits is called water pollution. It includes the contamination of both surface water and groundwater. Most manufacturing industries require enormous amount of water as an input in their production process. Contaminated water, which get released into water bodies, lets chemical into the food cycle. The availability of clean drinking water also decreases in the long run. The aquatic ecosystem also gets several affected. Apart from human beings, included factors, the over concentration of the certain minerals by natural process also pollutes the water. This is called eutrophication. The three major parameters for assessing water quality for physical and chemical biological parameters are color, turgidity, order of the physical parameters, presence of chemical compounds like sulfates, chlorides, etc. In the second parameter, biological parameter assess the presence of organic matter like algae, protozoa, bacteria in the water. Cause of water pollution: domestic sewage. Untreated sewage water that contains soaps, chemicals, food waste, human waste, etc. in the single the largest source of water pollution. Industrial influence. Manufacturing units are generally located near rivers. Untreated wastewater from these factors is an high on toxic content and resistance to breakdown by microorganisms. Agricultural waste. Runoff of fertilizers, pesticides, and manure used in agricultural production contaminate the water. This agricultural wet, runoff of fertilizers, pesticides, and manure in water. This process of toxic chemicals entering the food chain is called biomagnification. Spillage of petroleum products. Petroleum products contaminating seawater as a result of accident spillover is a regular news in item. Effects of water pollution: destruction of marine life, aquatic ecosystem, degradation of water quality, and scarcity of water. Waterborne diseases like cholera, typhoid, etc. Biomagnification. Soil pollution. Soil pollution refers to the contamination and consequent degradation of land. Presence of pollutants or contaminants that disrupt the balance of nutrients in the soil as a growing concern. It leads to a land becoming unsuitable for agriculture and barren. Soil contains many nutrients that are vital for friendly bacteria growth, the cultivation. In the ingestion of food cultivated through fertilizers, intense farming processes health corners like cancer. Cause of soil pollution. Overuse of fertilizers and herbicides in agriculture, dumping industrial waste and harmful chemicals, improve domestic waste management system, runoff of municipal sewage water, improve irrigation management leading to poor soil solution. Effects of soil solution: degradation of fertile soil, interior agriculture, produce quality, health issues as a result of biomagnification, destruction of all soil ecosystem. Noise pollution. Noise pollution is the presence of unwanted and excessive sound that harms human beings and animals. Noise has the potential to disrupt essential activities like sleeping, reducing one's quality of life. The Indian growth had passed rules in 2000 that stipulated permissible sound limits for different areas like residential, industrial, etc. Cause of noise pollution. Noise from factories, noise from transportation system, events and functions, construction activities. Effects of noise pollution, mental problems like anxiety, irritation, partial or complete hearing impairment, affects on animals' ability to communicate, attract their mate, etc. Thank you.